Ethereum's next big upgrade is almost here, the FUSAKA Upgrade, and it's being called one of the most important steps for scaling Ethereum to the next level. But what exactly is FUSAKA? How does it work? And most importantly, what does it mean for you as an Ethereum user or investor? Let's break it down all here. Now, before we jump into FUSAKA, let's rewind a bit. Over the past few years, Ethereum has gone through massive changes, from the merge that moved it to proof of stake to the Dencun upgrade earlier this year that introduced Rollups that helped reduce fees on layer 2s. Now, FUSAKA is the next step in that journey. It's not just a minor tweak. It's about making Ethereum more scalable, cheaper to use, and more decentralized. So, what is FUSAKA? The key feature is something called PeerDAS, short for Peer Data Availability Sampling. Now that might sound complicated, but here's the simple version. Right now, Ethereum nodes need to deal with a ton of data, especially with the growth of rollups. That's heavy, expensive, and it can limit how fast the network grows. PeerDAS changes the game by letting nodes sample small pieces of data instead of downloading everything. Imagine checking random pages of a book to confirm everything is there. That's basically how PeerDAS works. It keeps things secure while massively reducing load on individual nodes. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the Kudak email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the Kudak email newsletter is in the description below. But PeerDAS isn't the only thing that FUSAKA brings. Here are some key other upgrades that will come with FUSAKA. Blob capacity increases. Remember Blob from Dencun? They are temporary data storage blocks used by rollups like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base. FUSAKA will increase the blob capacity, meaning more data per block, lower fees, and faster transactions on layer 2s. Gas limit bump. Ethereum developers are also planning to raise the block gas limit. That means more transaction per block, less congestion, and a smoother experience for everyone. Efficiency improvements for validators and nodes. By lightening the data burden, FUSAKA makes it easier for more people to run nodes, which means greater decentralization and network security. So when is all this happening? Ethereum developers have set December 3rd, 2025 as the target date for the mainnet launch. But before then, FUSAKA will be tested across multiple testnets in October. We have Koleski, Sepolia, and Hoodie. This first rollout is designed to make sure that everything works smoothly before it hits the mainnet. And yes, Ethereum is even offering a massive $2 million bug bounty to anyone who can find vulnerabilities in the upgrade code. They want FUSAKA as secure as possible before launch. Alright, so what does all this mean for you as a crypto user, investor, or builder? We have cheaper transactions. Layer 2 rollups should see fees drop even further. We are talking pennies, not dollars. Faster confirmations. More capacity means less waiting during busy times. better scalability. Ethereum will be able to handle way more users and apps without breaking down. Stronger decentralization. Easier node operation means more people can join the network, which keeps Ethereum secure and trustless. And for ETH holders, upgrades like FUSAKA strengthens Ethereum's position against competitors like Solana, Avalanche, and even newer chains. A stronger ecosystem usually translates to a stronger demand for ETH in the long run. So to wrap it up, the FUSAKA upgrade is all about scaling Ethereum to handle the future. Cheaper fees, faster rollups, and a healthy network. Do you think FUSAKA will give Ethereum the edge it needs to stay on top? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around.